Samsung, the most trusted smartphone brand. If you're looking to buy a power-packed 5G smartphone in 2025, then Samsung's latest flagship might just blow your mind. Packed with a 200-megapixel DSLR level camera and the most powerful mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, this phone is set to redefine premium tech. Yes, we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Edge 5G. In today's video, we'll dive deep into its fully leaked features, price, and launch date. So let's get started. Features of Samsung Galaxy Edge 5G. Stunning display. First up, the display. This beast flaunts a massive 6.89-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen with 4K resolution. But that's not all. It also boasts a 144 Hz refresh rate, 390 Hz touch sampling rate, and an under-display fingerprint sensor. Plus, it's protected by Gorilla Glass Armor Plus, and comes with an IP69 rating, making it dustproof and water-resistant. Camera setup. Get ready for DSLR-like photography in your pocket. The Galaxy Edge 5G rocks a triple camera setup, headlined by a 200-megapixel primary sensor with OIS. And that's backed by two 50-megapixel lenses, for ultra-wide and macro shots. And selfie lovers, rejoice, the front camera is a 50-megapixel powerhouse, for crystal-clear video calls and stunning portraits. Unmatched performance. Under the hood, this phone is a monster. It's powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite, the fastest mobile chipset in the world. And to keep things smooth, it runs on the latest Android 16 OS straight out of the box. Battery backup. No more battery anxiety. The Galaxy Edge 5G packs a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 120-watt ultra-fast charging, via USB Type-C port. Say goodbye to long charging times. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Expected price around $900. And, as for the launch date, Samsung hasn't dropped an official announcement yet. But stay tuned, we'll update you the moment we get confirmation.